My problem, Corny is safe with only 4,000 dislikes.
Oh, yeah? So what's today's flavor of cake?
Oh.
This is an important message for the following counties in Michigan: Bay, Genesee, Lapeer, Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Midland, Monroe, Oakland, Saginaw, Shiawassee, Tuscola, Washington-on-Wayne. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a heat advisory, which is in effect from noon Tuesday to midnight Wednesday night. Hazardous weather, high temperatures in the 95-degree range both Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. Dew-point temperatures in the low 70s, pH values in the 60% range. Index values of 102 degrees during peak heating, roughly T-7 p.m. each day. Impacts: heating costs and heat stroke is possible in extreme cases where no protective action is taken. Muscle cramps and sunburns are also possible.
My defining feature is my brain, not my butt face. So you agree? What? You agree you have a...
Pencil and golf ball need to stop fighting.
Real test sure is an exhilarating game. Say, where'd Nico go? He questioned the rules of yo-yo chess. Nobody questions the rules of yo-yo chess. If you say so, Pillow. Why are all my pieces suddenly on the weakest squares? Pillow, are you sure you put the pieces back in the right places? Awesome! I've been meaning
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics Space Administration. There have been multiple reports of the sun getting larger and hotter. We do not know what this is causing. Please turn on your air conditioners so you don't get heat stroke. Civil authorities has issued a national emergency for all of the 48 states, including Hawaii and Alaska. There have been multiple reports of water evaporating, birds dying and living people being burned to a crisp, and trees dying and plant life. The National Aeronautics Space Administration has found out that there is a 50-50 chance of the sun exploding. If the sun explodes, all life on Earth will vanish, except for the ones who have shelter. Global alert. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics Space Administration. The National Aeronautics Space Administration has found out that the sun will explode within the next 30 to 45 minutes. This is the last broadcast of the emergency alert system ever. There is no time to act. Go into panic mode. Grab all your pets and family and pray to God that you survive. The national anthem will play for the very last time ever. Please stand by.